Guys, it's Ryan and I'm doing the Extreme Warhead Challenge. I have apple flavor. I don't know if this is going to be good. I hope it is. Sticky. Oh, it stopped. The wrapper stopped. Okay, there we go. This is what it looks like. Okay. Here it goes. Sour. Okay, got all the sour powder thingies off. Tastes like apple. So hard to break it. Got it. Tastes good. I don't get why these are extreme warheads. They're not even sour. Except for at the beginning. Wow, that was sour. At the beginning. Ooh. Kinda hard. I don't get it. Why would this be called an extreme warhead if it's not even sour? Whatever. I'm done with it. Didn't taste that good. Ugh. Done. Wasn't that sour? Except for at the beginning. And that was sour. Okay. Well. Ugh. I can go get something. This tastes terrible. Thought it tastes good at the first start. Well. Ow, my tooth hurt. It's like a jawbreaker. Come here, Lila. Lila, come here. Good doggy. Oh, you're a good dog? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh. You're a good dog. That's it for the video. See ya. Bye.